Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. Okay, so we have a lot of RC stuff, but one of the neatest RCs that we carry are from HRP, and they have what they call their Rage RC airplanes. And these are great starter airplanes. Now, what I mean by starter airplanes, that you could just take it outside and just toss it and fly it. And I want to show you this one. This is the Cub, and it's similar to the P-51. We got the Messerschmitt. We have like 7 different airplanes. But this is the Cub, okay? And this is a great, I call it toss and fly. And this is really awesome. You basically get everything you need. You get the 2 extra props, your charger, your controller, and the airplane. Okay, and what's really cool about these airplanes is they're called toss and fly. And they have what they call a break-off prop. So that means when they crash on the ground, the prop just pops off and you don't have to worry about it. We sell all the parts to them, completely, everything is available for them. But what, again, is they're toss and fly. You basically toss it and you can start flying. Now, it takes off from the ground if you want. But if like you're just in a field area and you just want to fly it around, 20 minutes of fly on one battery charge. And this is called the Super Cub. And this is made by HRP, and they also have an upgraded version, a larger version of this, which is, this is like twice the size of this, but they're all sport clubs. They're basically to learn how to fly, and that's what's so awesome about all the RCs. And you can check these on our website at ProTinkerToys.com. And the reason I like these airplanes, and we sell a lot of them, is they're basically a toss and throw, okay? Now you could take off, but I like to toss them because, and I'm just gonna do a short flight just to show you how easy it is to fly these things. And basically we're just gonna kind of do a circle here. Now I have a tree here, which I should not be doing it here, but I'm gonna kind of go over this way here. But I just wanna show you how easy it is to throw it and just you toss it, okay? So we're just gonna toss it. Everything kind of snaps in. So your motor, okay, this just snaps right together, okay? So that's what was really cool. It just pops off and it takes most of the punishment, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to toss this for me. Can you do that?
Toss it?
Yeah, let me see if you can do that, all right? I'm gonna turn the propeller. When I got the propeller on, you throw it, okay? Ready?
Cool.
And down it went.
Go get it. Okay, so here's the prime. I do this a lot. You don't fly it in a controlled area. It has to be, you have to have space to fly it.
But it's durable. You keep hitting stuff and it's
No,
still
it is
working.
very durable. Okay, that's what's great about these things. And this is the same way with all of these range R planes from HPR, okay, is they're very durable, okay? Now it does come with Expert, Intermediate, and Full system. Expert is an intermediate, it kind of like automatically flies itself. Now, not completely, but, and this is the Sport Club. This is a great summertime flyer, okay? You can fly this for hours at a time, and it's very durable. Battery lasts about 20 minutes. If you're at a good time, like if I go over there to the baseball field, I could fly this for 20, 30 minutes easy on one battery. And we sell extra batteries at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. And this is a great item at ProTinkerToys.com.